Hello YouTube, this is AutoTrep. Today I'm going to be doing 2 videos in one day. So this one is going to be how to back up your world without plugins. So this will be very helpful on a vanilla server, which in my latest video, how to make a vanilla Minecraft server, I said I was going to show you how to back up your world. So here it is. So basically, you've got your world. Alright, so you should have all these files if you did the last video, or you have a vanilla server or whatever. You'd have all these files. So first one you have, you're going to look for is going to be world. So you've got your world, and every time you play on your server, whatever you do on the server, this is updated. So, you've got all your players and everything and whatever goes on in your world. This is updated frequently and every single time. So this, so you're going to leave it on the desktop, whichever one you're going to be using. So basically, if you want to save the world as it is, you're going to want to make sure your server is stopped first, or else it'll keep updating. So you want to make sure it's stopped and the world is no longer updating. Then you're just going to make a new folder. I don't care what it is. I'm just going to label it backup for a server, or whatever. Alright, you're going to open that, and in that folder, you're going to drag the world that you want to save. So your server's not running, the world is no longer updating, and you've got it installed, and you're going to save it. So it's going to be in here. Now, in your backup for server folder, whatever you called it, you're going to do new folder. And I don't know what you want to call it. I just do the date. So whatever, just do 5, 3, 12. So I do that, so I can it's a lot easier to just keep track of. Alright, and you're just going to drag it in there. So now you've got your world in the folder. So a folder in a folder, and in that folder is the world. So you've got that, and now you're just going to right click it and click duplicate. So that'll duplicate it, and boom. Now you have 2 worlds. One in that folder, one in that folder. Same exact world. But now you don't have a world to run your server with. So you're just going to take this one, or whichever one, you can take one of them. You have 2. But whichever way helps you keep track of it, you're going to take this one, drag it onto here, and then boom. You can just get rid of this. So now you have your world, and you can make as many copies of it as you want. I mean, seriously, now I have 3 of the same world, and the same one is still right on there. So, and it's the same exact copy, but that is the one that's going to be getting updated. These will not. These will stay the exact same, only that will. So, there you go. You've got it. So now you've got all your worlds in there. I'm just going to get rid of these 2 so I can keep track of it. Oh, man. So you've got them, and now you have that world and the backup one in this world. So say, that server's getting updated, and say, the server, whatever happens, a giant creeper explodes spawn, or, because you don't have any plugins, or someone gets griefed pretty bad, or, something you built is destroyed, or hacks are entered. Then all you're going to do is you're going to take this world, drag it in the trash, duplicate this one so you have another one, and take whichever one you have in here, drag it on, and now the world is reset. Now you have it reset from whichever point you wanted it to be saved as. And then you've got an empty folder, so you're just going to take it here. Alright, and that can happen as many times as you want. Now you have the exact same world right here. So say this one gets griefed or hacked. Drag it in here, open this, duplicate it, take this, drag here, boom. Brand new save server, and open this, nothing in there, empty folder, drag it away, and there you go. So as many times as you want, same world saved, but only the one on the desktop gets updated. So in a sense, basically, this is the one only getting updated. These ones are saved. So if you have a perfect world and everything is all perfect, then you save it. And then if something gets destroyed on that perfect world, boom, you just reload it and get rid of the current world. So it's pretty simple. So there you go. And if you don't have to struggle with this and you can just get plugins, then see my next video in the annotation for a Bukkit server. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe. Take like 1 second. Just click it. Subscribe. Like this video. Yeah. Alright. Hope this was helpful. Thanks, guys.